Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an party BJP Meghalaya State kalapha daga jingtho shu mentri rangba ka jilla u konrat ki sangma ban kerpa di ka sarkar bakan pet bnya byang banyo ki samla apply kam hok ban shim ki exam jo ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC hakabya dei ka Meghalaya Civil Service MCS but Meghalaya Police Service MPS ba kharkrang unong aiktien jong party BJP ulay thu haginong tho khubor ha office jong party ha shillong ba kaseng galapha jingtho shu menju rangba ban pan jingker khu ba kinsha ik samla puli ke bidang puli ha gasnem ba khatdo final year jong ka degree ba ni shimbenta ha kini ki exam ulong ru ba ka UPSC ka aila di samla puli ke bidang puli ha gasnem ba khatdo ban apply ki exam tang ba ki dei ban pendep ya ka degree sha ba kini shimbenta ha ki mean exam Henry Meghalaya ke MPSC ke perkhat tangi gitu ke bela dep pendep degree ka balong ke jing ke babun ke samla. Ka jing ka long ru namar ba ke MPSC ka pelongi kini ki exam tang sisin hasan snem ladangi khangi gitu ke bidang puli hagas nem khaddu ki sha penslem palan san snem banishim benta. Ka sarkar di ban aila di ki final year student ru namar kani kanyara ban ai jingte ba jing puli hagalenti exam jongki ong ba kharkra. Ula kentui ke sarkar bakan shimkya ya kani ke jing ai jingmut haba kadang pynkylla thmai ke rukam trade ke MPSC ula penpau ke jingmen ba ke sarkar kala shimrai ban pendu no ya ke interview ha ki post grade 4 ka ba ula ong bakalong kalenti ka ba penpau jing sngo thu ba ke jing shisha ha ke jing penbet kam penbet jam ha ke sarkar
have to be held because the present council will be over, then time will be over by next year.
So what is your response to the government's move to release funds, monthly funds to the salary to
salary? You see, I think so. Maybe apprehensions are there from district councils and all, and I think so. Whatever apprehensions are there, I think so. The government will have to come clear on these, where they say that the government will take over the district council and all. So these kind of apprehensions, I think so. If the government really wants to help the district council, but whenever these apprehensions are there, then they should come clear on that. So unless these apprehensions are taken up and clarified and all, then probably things will work. Now we have almost completed all our booths and our mandals, and probably we have all completed mandals. That is an ongoing process with the BJP. It is not that we wait for the next elections to come, then 1 year before elections we start doing our groundwork. Our groundwork starts immediately after one election is completed, we start the groundwork with the next elections. So that's an ongoing process in the BJP.
Well, how will you beat this playing religious card? That is a very difficult task.
We'll overcome that one day. We just watch and see.
Okay, on call issue, you have submitted the report to the center.
That you will be able to explain that. He's a chairman.
He has not shared the findings with the state leaders.
No, that's why, I mean, like, since I'm...
That's a confidential report, so
Yeah.
he'll be in a position to share.
Yeah, I'm just a member over there, so probably will not be doing that.
So it is completed and...
Please take it up with them. We got petition. So Chief Minister Badan Buram Jingi, so offers you now receive a petition ke jongi. But can you along halor ke recruitment namata ke ban tap kam saka MCS MPS. Borfat ki bun ki ni penbut ban ia ka Union Public Service Commission ke company ke exam ke jongi. But to certain extent balak syllabus ru. Tendri dan tang bi jing ko angne balong ba. UPSC ki sha ya ki kena ki bla jandep ya ke graduation juki ban apply. Tangba shwa begin le kamin exams ki ni ben yo certificate la da pass ikam degree joki kadba ke MPSC jungi de kim sha ikata te UPSC ke penong exams manusnam kadba ka MPSC da penong exams tang si same sansnam ikata te hangni smo ba ke pendu lat ki khna la jan kut ke graduation tang bagi dei ba ki su slam no te san banai ru banai kim yo ban apply ki ga ki post but ki hap adu san ru slam hadin ba ki apply biang Tika ni ngasungu kalong ngasungu kapen do mensi miki but ni request ke government banang ni sekhma lari ki advertising ki post ban sha ikini ki graduate na kanika la jenong graduate tam ki pat dep te tambah the condition ba shop begin le kamen exams lagi la di benda graduation kini ka penlong but I lat kambun si shui ki kena begin apply gini ki post but haju ka poru lada kim yo makana ru takamut kan ke experience kala don takamut ki penlong bi exams kala yo experience is in many le exams and ka balai ru ka dei ba probably nakini bena sulat ru nginang la maybe nginang yo su dang bun ki kena kambit su ru te kan yarap ya ka jingpurung kam begin yo kena ba kambit su ka jingpurung kam Iwa sarkar kabla pendu no ke interview nam ta ki grade 4 ngai gala mi ka government notification ko ong ba nandu mata num da chu interview kan ki ba pha tam ma grade 4 hi ni kani galong inline ba ka jingle ka central government kabla le ta la bun mun snam kila pendu ke interview nam ta ki grade 4 tementang i ba ka state government jungi kala de ki ba pha tung ya ku ble ka state government lo